2022 Volkswagen Tiguan. We're going to reset the inspection due and service reminder oil life reset, okay? You're going to use steering wheel buttons, okay, and this guy right here. So looking at the cluster, we're going to scroll over to the right till you get to driving data. Now, go down and you're looking for range. Press OK. Once you have range pulled up like that, we're going to press and hold down OK for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let go. I'll bring up the service menu. You can see right here, reset oil change service, and then inspection. We're going to do both. So just hit OK on that one. Wait for it to time out, and then go to the inspection one. Alright, and that's pretty much it. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment if you could, and hit the like button.